Two chefs A and B were hired to prepare the dinner. The two chefs began working at the same time, but Chef A was only able to work for 2 hours. How many hours did it take Chef B to finish making the dinner? To answer this question, first of all, we need to know that how much work did A finish in the first 2 hours. That means we need the rate of A or the work done by A in the first 2 hours so that we can find out the remaining work, and basing that we can answer the question if we also knew the rate of B, because then we will find out that the remaining work will be done by the rate of B in how much time. So we need these two things: first the rate of A, and the second the rate of B. If we knew these two things, we should be in a position to answer this question. Let's start looking at the first statement, which says that working alone, A made 1/4 of the meal. That means A in 2 hours made 1/4 of the meal. We can understand that the remaining work will be equal to 1 minus 1/4, which is equal to 3/4. But since we do not know the rate of B, and therefore we can say that the first statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question and eliminate option A and option D. Now the second statement says that it would have taken 6 hours Chef B to cook the entire meal herself. That means now we can find out the rate of B, which is in 1 hour can finish 1/6 of the work because he takes 6 hours to finish the work. But now the rate of A is unknown, and therefore the second statement alone is not sufficient because we can't find out that how much work A already finished in the first 2 hours, so that we can find that how much work was left which was supposed to be done by B. So not sufficient. Now we combine the two statements, and combination of the two statements tells us that A in 2 hours finished 1/4 of the meal. That means the remaining work we know is equal to 1 minus 1/4, which is equal to 3/4, and the rate of B is already known from the second statement. He finishes 1/6 of the work. So 1/6 work B can finish in 1 hour. That means 3/4 of the work B can finish in 6 times 3/4 is equal to 9 by 2 hours. Therefore, we can say that the statements together are sufficient to answer the question, and the answer is option C. However, we did not need to do this much calculation after combining the two statements once we knew that all our input requirements have been met. Thank you so much.